Okay guys, so we are up to part 5 and we are going to be talking about aligning objects. So first, let's grab a sphere, draw it like that, click out because I've been doing that wrong the whole time. Now we shall hold on the y-axis, hold shift, drag a copy straight on. It should come up with the clone options again. We want to have 8 of them. And now I shall click onto the top screen, and now let's on the x-axis drag it out, drag it out, drag it out, drag this one out. Let's move them all just out of the way, just like that. And now we shall highlight them all. Press Ctrl A, and that should come up with aligning them. Yep, the align position. And now we don't want them all on the X, Y, and Z position, because if you click them all, they will all be on top of each other, like inside of each other. We don't want that. You can either have it on the X axis and they'll all be aligned again, as you can see, on the top view and the left view, and also on the perspective. You can't see it on the front because it's like not showing the right view. The y-axis will show they are all in line on the y-axis. You'll see it on the other views as well. And you can also change them. They will move around depending on this. So one on the x-axis, but then we can move them minimum, minimum, center, center, pivot, pivot, maximum, maximum, change it up. You can put it like to whatever you want, pretty much. And let's exit this. And now delete all of these. Hold on 1 second. Delete them all. And you can do the same thing with more than one object. So a sphere here. And let's say we want a box like that. And then we'll, oops. Let's get back to there. Grab the sphere. I want the sphere to be just like that, in pretty much the middle of the box. We want to duplicate them again on the y-axis. We'll do a couple, 3. And now we shall move them, move them, move them. Oh, whoops, it's not moving them all together because I didn't highlight them all. This is highlighted all. So is that one now. And so is that one. And now we want to align them. So highlight, Control A. And now we can have them on the X, Y, and Z axis. On the X axis, it lines up on the X axis. On the Y, it lines up on the Y. However, the square moves, not the circle. And then we want on the X axis, we can have it minimum, minimum, center, center. It just moves it around though. It's not exactly in the middle. Like if you click center, center, the circles are the way we want them to be. But if we click minimum, minimum, they are a bit on the side, which is okay. It just depends on how you want it. Usually you go for the center, center if you want to align them all again, and they will be like that. And yep.